To replace this power window switch, this particular procedure will apply to the front passenger and both of the rear doors, but not to the front driver's side. For that, it's a little bit different. You have to actually unscrew the panel. With this one, you can just get a trim tool in here, whatever fits, and just pop it up. Pry it at the front, pry it at the back, just like this. And once you have it lifted up, go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector, just like so. Okay, make sure you don't lose that in the door. And then we just have to take off this trim piece here around the switch itself. So use a trim tool or whatever you have, a screwdriver, and just pop this off. I'm going to push down on the switch while I pry the trim piece away. Hopefully that does the trick. You just have to get these two tabs to clear. There we go. There's the old switch. Clean this up if you want to. Take the new switch, slide it in, but make sure that this lip goes over and into that slot here. So kind of angle it forward first and scoop it in, just like that. Make sure it clicks in all the way so that it's nice and secure. Pull the wiring harness out, reconnect it. Make sure that is secured. Press it down into the door, and there you have it. Now give it a test.